So in this video, we're going to be covering the event information section, which is this module down here. Now, at the top of the page you'll see here is, in this case, the event name, which is Qualcomm's AGM. Obviously, this will be tailored to your event, and if you ever need to change it, you just simply delete and type over it. So next box down here is what's known as your event app URL or your shortcode, which, as you can see here, is AGM. Now, again, this can be tailored to be more suited to your event, and if you ever need to change a shortcode, please let us know and we can get that changed for you. This box here, the event website, this is for the details if you had a dedicated website for your event. So if you put the website address in here, then on the app, it will create a link to it, and your attendees or delegates can link straight to the dedicated website via the app. Just pop in the web address, for example, for there. Event support email. If you can have anyone on site at your event that's going to be there to help out your attendees, or things like that, either pop in their email address, or if there's a dedicated mailbox for it, pop that email address in here. And again, that will create a link in the app, so your attendees can select that link, type out their email, it will go straight to whichever mailbox, and then whoever's manning that mailbox can pick up and respond directly to your attendees. Obviously, event language here, you can set the language for the event, and the event description box here, this is more for potting in the background information about your event and what have you. Now, you'll see these boxes throughout the app, and they will either have this option here with rich text at the top, or if you select rich text, it gives you a few more formatting options. So as you can see, we have bold and italic. If we type in a word or sentence, we can hyperlink it. So in this case, I'm going to hyperlink Google. And to do that, type the word or sentence, highlight it, select the chain icon, and then type in the URL. And you can see that's been done because that's now in blue and also underlined. If you want to remove the hyperlinks, you can just delete the word or sentence, or highlight it all, select the broken chain icon, and that removes the link. This tree icon here means you can add in pictures into this description box, and this only applies to these description boxes. Throughout the rest of the app, you can upload your images straight from your computer, but to upload a picture, they have to be hosted on the internet. So like when you put a picture up on Facebook, that's hosting online. And to put the picture in the box, select the tree icon, grab your image's URL by right-clicking, and then copy image URL from the image when you've hosted it online, and just Control-V on your keyboard, pops in the link in here. As you can see, the size of the picture pops up in the X and Y boxes, and if we just select Insert, we can see the image is now in the box. And to resize that, to make it smaller to fit, select it, select the tree icon, click in the boxes, and then as you can see, the image is moving, which indicates it's been resized. So it gives you a little preview of how big and what it will look like. Select Insert, and as you can see, the image has now been resized and is a lot smaller. We can also hyperlink images as well, and to do that, select it so it's highlighted in blue, and again, chain icon, and then type in the website address, or wherever you want to link it to. So that image is now linked to Google, so if anyone's click on that image, it will take them to Google. And if you're a bit of a computer whiz, we have HTML here, so if you wish, we can write in coding, which you can see this is the coding just for the image that I've just uploaded. So the system will also generate the coding itself, but if that's the way you like to work, you enter it in this box, and you can type in coding. If you want to go back to just the normal text option, select plain text. As you can see, it gives you the warning. So in this case, the image is going to be removed, and it gives you your standard text option. Here, we can set the time zone for the event, obviously depending on where it's taking place. Its start date, end date, time format is going to be displayed. So 12-hour for your program, 2 o'clock in the afternoon will be 2 p.m, 24-hour will be 1400 hours. And then we have the event location's name and its address. So just pop in the name of the event, venue, and its address. Once you're finished, select Update Information, You get the green bar that say everything's been done, and that's all done, gone through, saved, what have you, you're ready to go.